In this video, we'll demonstrate how they work. These sewing machines will sew the traditional 2-point zigzag stitch. They will also sew a straight stitch of up to 5 millimeters in length. All Sayorite Professional sewing machines come with a 2-point and 4-point cam, which is easily switched out from the rear of the sewing machine. The 4-point cam allows for 4-point zigzag stitching, or what is referred to as a 3-step stitch. This 4-point stitch saves time by reducing the rows of stitching needed without losing its strength. It's also stronger and less likely to snag. It comes with Sayorite's Workhorse servo motor with Stitch Pro balance wheel for super slow speed control with exceptional power, even from a complete stop. The Sayorite Professional Long Arm is great for sewing sails that take up a lot of room under the arm of the sewing machine. Its 20.5-inch underarm space makes big jobs even easier. Here, Zach is sewing a patch in the middle of a sail here. It's a mainsail. And because he has that extra underarm space, he finds it easier to rotate the fabric around so he can sew the patch in place. He's also sewing it with a 4-point zigzag stitch. The damaged area is cut out from the underside, and our patch repair job is now complete. Install the zipper foot left for the Professional, and you can sew next to hard objects, like this bolt rope. The zipper foot set left for Professional is sold separately. The machine is set up for maximum zigzag and a stitch length of 2 to 3 millimeters. With the 4-point cam in place, we're sewing a 3-step zigzag. This is Dacron sailcloth. It's a 7.5 ounce, and it's 8 layers of it. When sewing a thick assembly of Dacron sailcloth, the firm, heavy density of the sailcloth often causes the needle to heat up when sewing at high speeds. If the needle heats up too hot, the thread will break. So when sewing super thick assemblies of sailcloth, try to go at slow or medium speeds to avoid that from happening. To sew lighter fabrics, use a lighter thread and needle combination. Then reduce the upper tension and the presser foot tension. Here we are sewing 2 panels of a nylon ripstop for a spinnaker. Because we have a 4-point machine, we only need to make 1 pass on each seam, saving time from the traditional 2-point zigzag stitch, which requires more passes on a seam. The sleeve of this feather flag has ripped out. We are sewing a new sleeve over the old using the 4-point zigzag stitch. The Sayorite Professional sewing machines also feature the presser foot lifter treadle. Simply press on the treadle to lift the presser foot and then release to lower it. This is a helpful shortcut to help speed up production and keep both hands on the fabric assembly. The super slow speed control and power you see here is achieved via a number of factors. First, the Workhorse servo motor is a 550-watt, 3/4 horsepower motor. This servo motor incorporates a 12-coil design for smoother operation and more slow speed control. Other common servo motors are 6 or 9-coil designs, not the Workhorse. The Workhorse servo motor features fully adjustable speed settings. The speed control and exceptional torque is not just accomplished via our servo motor. It is a combination of Sayorite's exclusive Stitch Pro balance wheel, which incorporates a cogged timing belt. This arrangement is the first of its kind with the servo motor and provides maximum power while maintaining slow speed control. The Professional also makes use of Sayorite's patented PosiPin clutching system. The PosiPin provides 100% power transfer from the balance wheel to the needle, and it